This Big Papa's must-have barbecue seasoning bundle was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm giving you a closer look at each of the seasonings. I already unboxed these, so here I'm just going through each one and showing you the actual seasoning inside the containers so you can see the texture, color, and how they compare. Each one has its own blend, so you can really see the difference between them. Some are a little finer, some have more texture, and they all look really well mixed. And I have to say, they all smell really good. I actually tried one of these the same night it was delivered, and I was honestly really impressed with the flavor. It's really well balanced, not too strong, not too salty, just a really solid seasoning that works great on food. After using it, it made me want to grill more. I already enjoy making things like steak, but now I feel like I could make steak every night, even more than I already wanted to before. That's how good this is. It just makes you excited to use it. In the video, I'm showing each container up close so you can get a good idea of what you're getting in the set. Overall, this is a really nice variety pack. The seasonings look great, smell amazing, and based on trying one already, the flavor definitely delivers too.